so here's a before look. You see this trail here through the woods? That new pond is going to be to the left of that trail. This is a big ditch and a lot of water comes down. So we're going to try and slow down some erosion. And out in this field you could see here, there's another ditch right here. And it all just runs down and this just stays wet all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a ditch and I'm going to reroute that down into the new pond, which will dry up this corner of the field, and then I'm going to put them a crossing in there with a pipe. So I got to start clearing all these trees. Hopefully there's some sycamores, good size ones, so this might take me a while. I'm not really looking forward to the tree part, but see Mark's been through here with his tractor. So this is the ditch here. You could see it's all wet. So everything to the left here is going to be cleared. Oh, there's some big trees in there. I guess I'm going to start working here. Alright, so here's just a before look from the cab at this jungle here. I think I'm going to go in and start pushing them this way. I just wanted to kind of see what was in here on the edge. Not much really. Go in, start pushing them. It's the only way I have. I mean, everything's thick, as you can see. And these are good sized trees. So this might take a while, but let me get turned around here. Come on, let's go. Here's a look at the jungle right here. I'm going to start clearing. I got the 1 foot bucket on for a little more leverage. So, start cutting roots. Check back in here in a while. This is the first root I'm hitting right here. Alright, I'll put the radio back on. I'll check in a little while. Big one. I should have had the camera going, but it went pretty decent. It only took me a few minutes, I guess, to get it broken loose. And then they're going to go out in the edge of that field. That's where the pile's going to be. Let's see if I can push it a little bit. We're started. We're rolling. Alright, here's that big one. I barely lifted. Of course, I got 3 or 4 of them. Can't get them clear from the quicker look for today. You can see the trail there where it used to be. I'd say I'm maybe halfway done-ish as far as back as I gotta go for that pond. And then there's the slash pile over there in the corner. So not bad for a couple, 3 hours.